Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic. We're talking about that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you have one of those, you need to find where the AC clutch relay is located, guys. AC compressor clutch relay is located because your AC blows warm air, AC doesn't work. Check that relay. We'll explain where you can buy cheap relays and fuses from, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. Make sure you stay until the end. All that will be covered today for your convenience. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running if it's blown. You can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So which relay we need to check for the AC compressor clutch? We're going to demonstrate on 2017 Honda Civic that we have right here, guys. Now, if you open the hood, you have a fuse box under the hood. That's the fuse box that we'll need. And if we zoom in a little bit, okay, just like that, you can clearly see that's the fuse box here. You open that cover, guys, and you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. This is the front of your Honda Civic. This is towards the windshield side on your Honda Civic. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the relay, guys, that we'll need to check here now for the AC clutch specifically, okay, these guys relay, okay, will be, if we come, okay, if your AC clutch doesn't work, always check the fuses for the AC clutch as well. If your AC compressor doesn't work, always check it as well. But if you come above that row of fuses, 1, 2, that second relay right here, that's the relay that you will need to check specifically for the AC compressor clutch. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.